going on? Today I'm going to show you a quick lick in the E minor position. This lick is short, but it can be used to spice up your solos, be used as a filler, or maybe you just want to practice. We'll play this lick in the E minor pentatonic first position. So you're going to start with the G and the E on the high E string, and you're going to pull off. And then you're going to go up to the B string and hit D and B, and you're going to pull off the D to the B. You're going to do this throughout the whole riff. And then you're going to go to the G string and pull off A to G. And then after that, you're going to ascend back to the previous string and hit it again with the same pull off. And then go back up to the G string and then go up to the D string and pull off E to D. And then go back to the G string and then go back up to the D string. Now you're going to go to the A string and hit B, A. Then you're going to go back down to the D string, pull off again, back up to the A string. And then on the low E string, you're going to hit the G and the E. So this is a bit of a looping pentatonic pattern. Now the picking pattern that I find the most easiest to use with this lick is, I guess it would be a economy of motion type picking. Wherever the direction that your fretting hand is going, that should be the direction that your pick is going. So whenever the fretting hand descends up, I pick up. Whenever it ascends down, I pick down. But I start with a down pick. And you can practice this by not looping it at first. You can just do a descent from the high E string. And then go back down. And then once you get it all together, apart from that high E string, which I start with the down pick, it'll be up, up, down, up, up, down, up, down, all the way until you get to the top. This lick is movable, and I like this one because we don't have to keep it in one minor pentatonic position. We could play it in the second minor pentatonic position. So this would be the second position of E minor pentatonic. Same lick, different position. Here's a picture of the first position of the E minor pentatonic scale. If you're already familiar with this pentatonic shape, you'll learn this lick pretty quickly. But if you're not familiar with this, it's good to check this chart out and memorize it, because there's lots of different things you can do with the minor pentatonic positions. Since I played the lick in the second minor pentatonic position, I'm going to go ahead and show the chart for it. There's 5 pentatonic positions. These are the first 2 boxes. I'm showing them in E minor. For these pentatonic charts, I marked the scale degrees, as well as the root or tonic note. So whatever minor pentatonic key you're in, you can play this lick in any position. And that's what's cool about this one. You could go to this lick if you're soloing or whatever. Start practicing this lick and see what cool stuff you can come up with. Alright, if you like what you see and you took something away from this video, please be sure to like and subscribe to the channel. It really helps me out. I appreciate it. If you play guitar, let me know in the comments. I would love to hear about your guitar playing adventures. If you want to see more guitar tutorials, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Remember that Jesus Christ shed his divine blood so that we may be saved. Trust in Jesus always, because he will never lead you wrong. He will lengthen your days and guide you at all times. Psalm chapter 143, verse 8 says, "Cause me to hear your loving kindness in the morning, for in you do I trust. Cause me to know the way in which I should walk, for I lift up my soul to you." Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.